Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Devil Boats by Compass Games, designed by Joe Carter. We are playing Dale Clark campaign. We are on the 30th of July, and we have upwards, let's see, 24 missions under our belt. We have 3 average crew. We've got 3 kills. We did just lose our elite crew. As far as boats, the 30th, so we get one of them back today. This guy right here is going to become available again. So that actually leaves us 3 boats to play with, which is better than what we had. So let's see what we get today. Let's get the charts up here. Nobody's there to check that anymore. Crewman malaria check. 11, not 11. Yeah, 13. Come on, Greg. Used to be actually good at math. The weather check for the day is 3. Good weather. Nightly mission assignment will be 6. So we got a successful offensive mission, but nothing going on to zone 6. So we're going to go ahead and just mark that down. No encounters, 0 points, but survival. Next day, no. We used boat number 2 or 3. Let's use number 2. I mean, yeah, 1, 2, and 4. We would have used 3. Give 3 a chance to stay out this time. All right, 3, yes. Guess I better specify that from now on. Yes. All right, that gives number 2 20 missions. So I need to check for his crew skills. Gets 20, is there at 15? I'll be right back. I gotta verify this. Keep forgetting stuff. All right, right there on the log, I'm not using it. 20 missions performed, they increase. So, James Brooks in PT2 went from average to veteran. That goody. Nobody else has anything going, so we got now at least got a veteran with us again. That brings us to, and actually that should have not been. We're gonna have to move that down 1. That should have been a no mission because we're not allowed to go more than 4 missions without running. So we're going to have that as that would have been the 31st. Yeah, I know. Fixing my log sheet up so I don't do that again. All right. So that brings us down to August 1st. We can go again. So we're going to check our mission assignment. No, actually, we want to check for elite. Nobody's elite to get promoted. Malaria 80, or that would be an 18 actually. Ooh, shit. 1 PT crewman comes down with malaria. Nice. 2d6, 12. Hitting home, 4. Damn. Executive officer is out. He is going to be discharged. So Mike Jones, our XO, is going to disappear. I got to roll another one up. Going to make him a 0. We got to go get a name for him. 52. B. James. Not 52. 72. Milton Bradley. Huh. No. And 31. Gray. Milton Gray will be taking his place. And he is XO, starts out as an ensign. Going to stay an ensign. And we're going to roll for skills. I think we actually get the roll. Yeah, we get the roll to make sure he's green or not. He's still green. Yep, so we'll put him back down to green, starting all over again. And then we get the roll to see if he gets a skill. Nothing. I usually don't get them, so. All right, so that's a nice way to start out. We're going to get a rookie XO on our PT boat. Back to A, into the weather check. 2, going to be good weather. Nightly mission assignment. We roll a 3. Again, it's going to be an offensive patrol with no action, no encounters. So again, 0 victory points. And that was August 1st. And in August 1st, and I'm getting bad on this, we would have gotten him back. We're actually able to take all 4 boats out to play. All right, so everybody's got, let's see, our bower loader is soon to be a veteran too. All right, on the 2nd of August, nobody's there to check. We check malaria, 73, nothing. Or not 73, 10. Weather check, 6 is going to be poor. Nightly mission assignment, a 2, going to be another offensive patrol with no contact, no encounters. I like these because they rack up the experience points, but we are not getting much in the way of points yet. Actually, medals too. I don't think we got anything yet because we're in a long campaign and we have to reach 201 to get our first medal. And we're at 135. Okay. All right, so that's going to be the end of that. We go to August 3rd then. Roll from malaria check, 6, nothing. Weather, 7, still poor weather. Nightly mission assignment, 8, actually got something. An offensive patrol. We're going to take all 4 boats out. We're going to be going to Zone 2. And all 4 boats. Alrighty. Air attacks on the base after we leave. There will be none. Sea state in the first zone. We are in poor weather. It's going to give us a 7. Is 3. Random event. 87, nothing. IGN Air Patrol. 13, nothing. Go to Zone 2. Sea state in the zone. 9. getting choppy. Goes up to 4. Random event, 27, nothing. IJN Air Patrol contact, 8 is nothing. And we go back up to the sea state as we enter zone number 1, yellow. Sea state, 5, settling back down to a 3. Random event, 25, nothing. IJN Air, 11, nothing. Going to move on to zone 2, yellow. Sea state in the zone is going to settle down to 2. Random event 02. We will get a random event. 11. Speedy. Ammo loader is loading particularly fast this mission. 2 shots per combat round are possible from manned cannon. Roll 1 die 6 to determine the ammo loader. 2. That'll be my bow loader. My rookie too. He's going to be fast. Do I have a fast loader counter? We'll give him that temporarily. If the loader is a veteran, of course he's not. He would have been able to get 3 shots per combat round. All right, back to beginning. IJN Air Patrol, not the beginning, but 10, nothing. Going to enter our combat air or offensive zone. Be our first turn in the zone. Sea state is 2. Random event 79 is nothing. IJN Air 13, 11, 12, 13, nothing. Convoy 10. We got a convoy. Actually, that doesn't say, yeah, unmodified 10. All right. Roll 1 die 10 to determine the type. We get a 7 barge. Go to table D1. D10 to determine how big it is. 4. Going to be a small convoy. I like small convoys. We can pick on them. See, I forgot. We have, when I went after that last convoy, no, barges, we can't. Destroyers, we can fire torpedoes at. Barges, we can't. For each convoy wave, roll 1 die 10. We get a 5. That's going to be 2 barges. Roll 1 die 4 to determine each type of barge. 3 is going to be a type B. Nice small one. And a 3 is going to be another type B. Well, we can't land these guys. We need a new job. And we are in poor weather, so we're going to start at medium range. Bring our other guys down here to play with us. 2 is now a veteran, so we can promote him up. And all right. Let's see, we need barges, 2 different barges. We've got 2 type Bs. One there. One there. B1 out, get B2 out. All of us are out. Okay. Determine the crew skill of the first one. We get an 8. That's a veteran. That could hurt. And the skill of the second one. Ooh, shit. Yeah, not quite that. Yeah, not quite the easy deal we were thinking about running into. We're going to come in. You know what? Let's come in slow. If weather is good, they start out long. If weather is poor, we start out at medium. We can go slow. We don't go any different than that. Range movement. Slow. We're going to stay in medium range. And we're going to roll a d10 to see if we're 2. We're hopefully not detected. 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 2 minus 1 plus 1. So yeah, they do not see us. We are undetected right now. And being as I am going to stay at medium range, we're going to go ahead and cut loose on them now, but they cannot return fire. PT1, we get to actually roll 5 times because of our speedy loader. And he's going to go for, let's just go for barge 1. We are looking at sea state of 2. Minus 1 for the veteran barge crew. Plus 1 for the sea state, 0. We have a veteran radio operator and a functional radar, so we got a plus 1. Plus 2 for the slow speed. Plus 3, plus 4. So 6 and above. 5 times for 6 and above. I've got to pause this and plug in real quick. I got a warning shot. I'll be right. All right, back in business. Can't talk, but we're back with the headphones. Five rolls for 6 and above. First gun, 3 misses. Second gun, a 10 is going to hit. 2 more rolls, 2 more hits. 3 possible hits. All right. If we get a hit, B, C, or D, damage right there. 3 possible hits. We'll go 5, 3, and 5, and all of them are superficial. Son of a bitch. All right, PT2. He's going to target 1. All right, he is a plus 6. I mean, a 6 or above, but a little bit better because he is also a veteran. Yes, plus 1 extra. So that he's looking at 5 and above, and he only rolls 4 times. No speedy loader. He gets 1 possible hit, 2 possible, 3 hits possible. You get a 6, 3, and a 6. That's going to actually be two systems damage on barge number 1. That's going to disable him. That will bring up PT3. He's going to be firing 4 times looking for a 6 because it's nice not being detected. He will be going for barge number 2 4 times. A 0 is 1 hit. A 0 and an 8 or 2 more hits. We get again 3 chances. A 2, a 0, and a 3. The 0 is going to be nice, but the rest are all misses. 0 is a systems end flooding on barge number 2. So both of them are pretty well hurting. That's going to bring up barge 1. He can't fire because they didn't see us. PT4 is going to fire. He's going after barge number 3, which will be 2. He needs 4 shots again for 6. 1 and a 4, both miss. 5 and a 9, 1 possible hit. 8. That's going to be a hit. And that's going to be a flooding. Yes. And that flooding is going to sink 1 barge B. Put that in my notes so I don't forget. He will never get to see us. Delete that and delete that. He can return to the barges deck. The rest of these guys will go to the random. We go to barge assistance request. 2 minus 1 0 1. Not going to happen. End of combat round evasion barges. We only got the 1 to roll for. We'll get a -1, -2, -3. +1 is a -2. +2 is a 0. +4. 9. He will successfully evade. Oh no, he cannot. He is disabled. So he cannot. I'm glad I remembered that. So we go straight to nobody's in close range. We're not going to do combat. We're going to stay at slow speed. We're going to stay at medium range. And because we fired, we are detected. All right, so here we go. B1, of course he's going to fire first. He's going after boat number 3. And he gets to fire once. It's going to be an, oh shit, automatic hit. Type B equals 1 shell hit, okay. PT2 to 4 hit, roll 1 die 10 to determine the damage. 2, superficial. Very nice. All right, that's going to be his farewell, I'm pretty sure of it, because PT2 gets to go now. We're not going to have quite the lofty numbers we had last time. We are looking at -1, +1 is 0, +1, +2 for being a veteran. +2, so we need 8, 9, or 10. He fires 4 times. 4 misses. PT4 is firing next. He gets 8, 9, or 10. We get 1 possible hit there. That's going to be a 9. That's going to be a flooding damage. 1 more damage and he's gone. And 4 was the one that shot down. I got to put that on my sheet too. Keep track of the who got their kills. All right, next up will be 3. 9 or 10, he's firing 4 times, misses 4 times. PT1, that would be us. We get 5 shots. I think we're just looking at a barge is disabled. We should have had lofty winds. I just shortchanged my guys. Yeah. Shortchanged my guys. That's all right. We'll have to take that as a 1 on the chin. +1, -1 is 0. +1 for the Radio operator +1 for speed is 2. +3 for barge being disabled is 5. So we need a 5 or more. 1 hit, second gun jams. Gets unjammed. We got 1 hit, and we roll 3 more times. 2 hits, and with just a 0. 3 hits. 3 hits are possible. 9, that's going to be flooding. We don't even have to go any further. We got him. Probably one of my other guys should have gotten that kill, but that's me forgetting things. Forgot he was disabled again. We do have to check for barge assistance. 4, no enemy aircraft. End of combat evasion, nobody to evade. We can go ahead and clear that up. And that's it. That's the end of combat. We got 2 barge B's to our record right now. We might as well just go in there and just keep plugging away at things. Let's see what we can do. Oh, we got to go through short gun yet. Got to go through short gun yet. 6, no enemy guns. Nobody's separated. We'll go into our second offensive turn. We'll look for the C state. C state of 3 is going to stay at 2. Good, makes shooting easier. Random event, 95, nothing. IGN Air Patrol, used to the old rules. 10, nothing. IGN Convoy, 2, nothing. IGN Sure Guns, 7, nothing. Spend our 3rd round in the offensive zone. C state being 5 will be 3. Random event, 100, nothing. IGN Air Patrol, good thing we had that time. 13, nothing. IGN Convoy, 1, nothing. IGN Sure Guns, 6, nothing. C state, 1, going to go back down to 2. Random events, 13, nothing. IGN Air Patrol, 7, nothing. IGN Convoy, 9. 10, 11. We get another convoy contact. Don't whether it's nice or not. Just said we got it. 1 die 10 to determine convoy type. 9, barge convoy. Go straight to D1. We roll to see the size. 1, another small convoy. Clear this out. We're going to roll for the number of barges in the wave. 7. That's going to be 3 barges this time. And these barges will be 1, which is a type A. 3, which is going to be a type B. And 4, which is going to be a type C. One of the big boys. Again, we're going to be coming in at medium range. We're going to be coming in slow again. I like the way that went last time. Even with them being veteran type A. Type B and a type C. Okay. We also need our new detection. We lost that somehow. All right. And now we're going to roll for crew. 5 is going to be average for 1. 1 is going to be green for 2. 1 is going to be green for 3. Oh, we can almost feel us licking our chops. Detection. 7, probably going to be detected. It is -2, so we get a 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They do not detect us. We're going to get the whale on them again. Barge 1, Barge 2, Barge 3, and all 4 PTs. And we'll just keep them out right now because they can't fire at us because we are no detection. And we're going to have first crack at them and then they're going to let loose on us. All right, so first one to fire is going to be PT2. And he will be firing at boat number 3. Sea stated 2's +1, slow is +2, veterans +3, green barge crew +4, undetected 5, 6. Wow. 4 or more 4 times. 8 and a 6, 2 and a 5, 3 hits possible. A 7, a 4, and a 4. Well, the 7's a hit. That's a systems hit on barge 3. All right, next up, PT3. He's going to be, let's see, I forget already. +1, +2 for slow, +3 for, oh, who's he firing at? 2. +3 for green. +4, 5 for undetected, so he's going to need a 5 or above. 1, 2, 3 hits. 1, 9, and a 2. The 9 is going to be a flooding damage. 1, 2. That's going to bring up the next one. PT4 firing. Same thing. 5s, 4 and a 4, 4 and a 4. Holy crap. And we are firing. We have, let's see here. +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6. We need a 4 and above, and we're firing 5 times because the speedy loader. 4 and above. 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4 hits. 0 and a 2. The 10 is going to be, and oh, actually, I forgot to designate who I'm going after. We'll go after the big boys. See, I like the greenies. Going to be a flooding and a systems. And the second pair of dice, 7 and a 0. The 7 is going to be a systems. He's disabled. The 0 is going to be a flooding and a systems, which will both be flooding because he's out of systems. He is disabled. That's our round. We go to barge assistance request 5, 4, no enemy aircraft, end of combat barge evasion. We'll go for the 1 first. -1. 1 has 0 damage. -1. +1 is 0. +4. 7. He will disappear. All right, barge number 2. Got a +4. He's green though, so that's going to be a -2, so that's a +2. He also has 1 damage, that's a +1. Poor weather, +2. 7, 8, 9. He's going to evade. Damn it. The last guy can't. He's disabled, so his friends just kind of left him holding the bag. And we're going to come back in. Barge 1 and 2 are gone. The rest of us in here. All right, first to fire, B3, of course he does. He's going after 2. He's green. Pretty sure he's going to need like a wing and a prayer to do this. He's going after the veteran, -1. -2 for being green. +1 is a -1 for the sea state. +1 for the slow is 0. He needs a 10. 2 misses. PT2 is going to fire 4 times. He is a veteran. We are now detected again. All right, we have a +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, 6, 7. He needs a 3 or more rolling 3 times. That's 4 hits possible. A 9, that's going to do it right there. Nope, 9's just 1 flooding. 1 more pair of hits. A 6 and a 4. The 6 is going to be systems. He has no systems left, so that's a flooding. And that sinks a type C. That goes to boat number 2. Boy, we had a good mission this time. All right. The type C on there. That's going to be the end of the combat. We got to check for barge assistance. Still yet 0. They will actually get it. Enemy aircraft arrives. So we go straight to B1. Roll a D10. 7. That's going to be a Mitsubishi G4M. He's going to come in with an aircraft skill of veteran. Ouch. And he's going to come at us with 6 strafing attack. All right. All this can, well, that'll all clear out later. All right, defensive spotting. We're still slow, so he's going to catch us at slow. We roll a 5. Poor weather goes down to 3. Goes up to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We do spot him. Thank goodness. We can go to fast or we can stay at slow. Well, he is just strafing. I'm going to stay slow. Maybe we can take him out of the sky. Yeah, I know. Famous last words. All right. Defensive fire for us. We can do 5 shots. -1. +1 is 0. +1 for slow speed. So we get a 1. That's 9 or a 10. 5, 2, 4, 8, and 5. We all miss. Boat 2 firing. We need -1. +1 is 0. We're a veteran. +1. +2. 8, 9, or 10. 4 shots. Gets 1 possible hit there. We roll a D10. 6. Superficial. Son of a bitch. Yeah. All right. It needs a 9 or a 10. Veteran aircraft. -1. +1 is 0. +1 for speed is 9 or 10. 3, 5, 5, and 7, no go. 9 or 10 for 4. 5, 1, 4, and 9. We got 1 possible hit. 4, another miss. We did get a hit on him, superficial damage, but a hit. So that's going to help him coming in on the strafe attack. Successfully spotted and sustained any hits. It was a superficial, but a hit. So that's -2. -3. For us. +1 is a -2. +1 is a hold on, -2. Oh, I lost track of where I was already. -2. Okay, -2. We're at -2. The veteran, -3. +1 is -2. +1 is -1. +1 is 0. So we get a chance at 10 on us. Jesus, he does get it. Son of a bitch. Go to table G1. That's what I get, going slow. 1 for each shell hit. He's bombing us with this. That's just a regular. D10 is going to be 1. Oh shit, a walking hit. All on the top deck. G2, 2, 4, 5, and 7. First hit, 5, superficial. Second hit, 7, superficial. Third hit, 3, radar antenna. And the last hit, 7. Oh, 2D10. 11, propeller shaft. 3, propeller 2 disabled. Yeah, we probably shouldn't have come in slow. Whenever we go against an aircraft, I always go fast, and I didn't do it this time. Now we're going to pay the price. All right, against boat number 2. Seven's not going to hit. Boat number 3. 4, no hit. Boat number 4. 5, no hit. He's going to drop a star shell. Get the +1. Nope. He's going to peel off. We will roll for separation. We don't get that -1 either. We are slow. That helped. Or boat radar. So +2. Ooh, shit. +3 +4. Boat 1, 5, 9, we're okay. Boat 2, a -1 +2 +3, 8. He's going to get separated. I got to mark him up separated. Doesn't show him as separated. Okay. Boat number 3, 1, he's not separated. And boat number 4, 0, he is separated. Yeah, we're going to call it a day then. All right, but at least they completed the mission with us, so that's a good thing. And he's going to peel off. We got to go past the shore guns yet. 8, 7, no shore guns. PT boat separated out of formation, return to base. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to base yet. Boat number 2, 19, or not 19, 9. He's definitely going to make it back. Oh, well, I'm pretty damn sure he is. Neither one of them guys is damaged. -4, he's 5, 6. Yeah, he's fine. And boat 4 rolls it down, 9. Both floated with it, but he's fine. They both make it back to base all right. All right, now we've got to make it back to base. We can actually clean all that up. We'll move back to 2. Sea state in that zone is 8, which is going to be choppy. 3. Random event 60, nothing. IJN air 10, nothing. Going to move to 1. Sea state of 10. It's going to be real choppy. 4. Random event 39, nothing. IJN air patrol 7, nothing. Going to move to zone 2. Sea state still choppy. Goes down back down to 3. Random event 40, nothing. IJN air patrol 15, nothing. Move into the final zone 9, where the sea state is going to be choppy again. Random event 03, we have a random event 7. Bad fuel, all 3 engines malfunction become inoperable. Repairs may be attempted A and B. One die 3. 4, the one engine is not, and we're going to be towed back to base. Oh no. Both of those were a 4 and a 5, both were repaired. +1. Yeah, 5 and a 6. All right, so we survived it then, barely. That was a nice little thing to have in the end there. Oh, actually, we got to go one more check, one more that. Don't forget that. IJN Air Patrol in the last 15. Nope. All right, so we're back to base safely then. We can reset. We took out the C. Boat repair times. Propeller. That's going to hurt. 50. That's 1 day right there. And then radar antenna. 40, 90. And then 2 superficials. That's 120. So that's going to be 3 days. He's out. I'm hard on boats, aren't I? We would have been driving the spare then. That's Going to be back on August 7th, same date as our regular boat is. All right, so that is under repair. Back down to 3 boats. Victory points. We got a Type C, 25, 2 Type Bs, 10 each. That's 45 points. Not a bad haul. Puts us up to 180. Still don't have an award yet, but that's all right. We're not in this for awards. We're just in it to live. That's going to be our 4th mission. So August the 4th, we will stay back in base for repairs. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the video there. That was another good mission. We should not have played with fire with the aircraft like that, but too late, we did. And almost paid for it. We got some damage. Now we have a boat out of commission for a few days because of it. And I did forget to do my next day. Nope, no aborts. Yes, they ran. Yes, they ran. And yes, they ran. 27th mission. That was a good day. Nobody gets any promotions or anything. All right, we will see you next time. That's Devil Boats by Compass Games, designed by Joe Carter, and we are in the early August of 1943. See you next time.